Hello, hi, and welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Ufakazile is glad ukuthi uNomusa uboshiwe and they don't have stress to think about. But uNqubeko naye uyamsupporta kuyahagana kubanjani. I wonder ukuthi when it's time for her to appear for bail or something, what is going to be uNqubeko's role? Because we know ukuthi uNqubeko, the storyline kahle it looks like it's between these women. Yes, he loves Ufakazile, doesn't see uNomusa for anything, but I just wonder ukuthi having married uNomusa for so long, will he not show up and show off for uNomusa? Umshengu is adamant that the wedding must not happen. The wedding is not nothing must happen without uMamKhunu. uMamKhunu right now, there's no one that can raise her from the dead. Ugo is gone. But uShabalala does not want to digest that. He does not want to understand it. uMamKhunu uyabuya according to him, and everything else must wait until Ugirl is back. Now this means ukuthi the vows renewal needs to be postponed. It looks like they are going to push and continue with them, but knowing ukuthi uMshengu unenhliziyo eqinile, he is just not going to let it slide. Umshengu is not going to let it slide. That celebration will not be the best celebration. Yes, it's going to be beautiful in the beginning, but we know Umshengu. Umshengu word is the last word. Him seeing anybody making a decision that is outside what he wants is not going to fly. And then uThoba noSibusiso bayalwa because now the relationship yakhe noDidi yaziwa. They are not happy. Nje kubi is pity. uSibusiso is using ubaba kaThoba ukuthi ayomthuthisa izinto khabo Didi and is going to sue Didi. Hey, angazi ukuthi uDidi uyazi na ukuthi umntana uthathiwe kibo khabo Didi mabayothatha umntwana bayathula abashu. Like, what kind of a family is that? But nonetheless, uSibusiso umntwana, we know ukuthi now there's going to be conflict between the child noSibusiso, right? And uSibusiso is saying, go to the lawyers, I've got more money than you, and therefore there's nothing you can do about it. uDidi, I wish you can go to court because there's everything that she can do about the matter. Finally, uNdumiso knows ukuthi uDidi udliwa ubani uThoba. Donga uyazi ukuthi isimo sinjani, indaba iphumile ibhotshukile. Umshengu athi yiyo le bhadi leli benginitshela ngalo. Isinye isiphithiphithi nje, but at this time one must choose who's going to win uDidi. Will uSibusiso be forced to marry uDidi? Will Didi agree, or will uDidi noThoba pursue their relationship and hope that finally one day, like uFakazile noNqubeko, they are forgiven? Bese-ke kube ubani uMatsidiso, who was called into order. Buza ukuthi why uGirl decided to come with a trouser emzini. Bamtshelile nje ukuthi hey, kuzabe kunabantu abadala. Hayi vele yangamphathi kahle nje uNdumiso, naye wabona nje ukuthi ujudged nje around because abanye abomakoti bewambuza ukuthi sibindi sakho girl, your sibindi girl, your liver girl, it's on its own lane. Because wow, everybody knows ukuthi mayohlakana nama-in-laws mele uziqoqe nje ube umunye into right kabi, because nje uzawukhipha ama-true colors nini mawusongenile phakathi inside. Kanti hhayi-ke uThidi uwakhipha kwangoku. Amtshele-ke umuntu wakho ukuthi iye mara bastart, oh sorry uthe Small Street, ye Small Street uzothola something ozoyigqoka ezokwenza nje ukuthi ubukeke njengomfazi wakaShabalala.